complain, 'cause my baby just called. She said she's on.
So as we enter into the room, you can see this is an L-shaped room, and you can arrange the furniture according to yourself. Like we have kept the bed side by side, but you can keep one bed here or one bed there and one bed here. But we have kept our almiras because we just liked it this way. So yes, that's the whole look of our room. This is actually an attached washroom. Yes, luxury. And this is a balcony. This is a really nice room, trust me. Starting with the table, we have a pretty much good table. It's wide, that's what I like the most, and you can keep all sorts of things here. If you want to use it as a study table, as I do, you can keep it this clean. If you want to use it just as to keep your few belongings, you can. This is the pen stand, which pretty much holds all the pens. Majority of them are not working. Like, how many of you have such pen stand जिसमें से majority pen काम ही नहीं करते हैं? The matchstick, the glue, the sticky notes, scissors, all the daily essentials things जो मेरे को time to time ज़रूरत पड़ सकती हैं that. And this is a candle made by my mommy, and मैंने अभी तक इसको use भी नहीं किया है, but yeah, I wish to use it soon in winters. This is also a scented candle. This is from Bath and Body Works, like the only candle from Bath and Body Works that I own. और ये मैंने शायद first year में ही खरीदी थी, and I still have finished it because like it's basically full. Like the scent of this candle is so good. This is a showpiece, like enjoy the little things. This is a question answer book. This is for 5 years. Like for 5 years you have to answer the same question. For example, this is August 2. Describe the room you are in right now. And this is for 20, from whenever you start writing this, 20, and then just keep doing for 5 years, and you can account how you have changed for these 5 years. This is basically the account book. मैं इसमें यूजली अपने सारे खर्चे लिखती हूँ कि मेरे महीने भर में कैसे खाली हुए पैसे. This is a journal, or say pretty much a daily planner, and I use it because sometimes just writing down things on a piece of paper or a planner just gives you that push that you need to do the things, and hence that's the planner. I'll link all these things down if you want to have it. This is a neon light, and I like it very much. मैंने first year में लिया था, but I still haven't figured out इसकी best place क्या है. For the time being, it is this. This is my favorite thing. This was gifted to me by a friend, a very good friend, and I like that very much kept, and it just complements the whole vibe here, the bluish white vibes. This is a book, Don't Worry, 48 Lessons on Achieving Calm. I am preparing few videos on it because I really want you guys to know the importance of the things written inside here. Like, it's such a pretty book. Also, the art here is so nice. Like, it's just so good. This is also one of my journal. It's basically more like a feelings one. Like, I account my feelings here. Whenever I feel very sad, anxious, anything, I just try to write it down. This is a new thing that I started to figure out what I'm feeling, because these days I'm so confused about things that I'm feeling. This is my laptop, and this is a new laptop. I haven't showed you guys this, कि मैंने खरीदा है. But yes, I've got this. My father has basically got this. I do my editing in this laptop now. Before I was doing in this phone only. So yes, that's a good thing. This is the chair, and it's a really nice chair. I like it very much. It looks very chic. So yes, and it's a pretty comfortable chair, like you can see. Usually keep my bag and my towel on it. So yes. Beside the desk, I also keep few things. Like, I don't remember what are the things that I've kept, but yes, there is space. And also beneath this, there was this stand, and it was broken, and somehow I just fixed this, and I've kept few things. Like you can see, there's a legit pile of coffees in there. Yes, and this is my laundry bag. This is a very good thing to invest in if you are going to hostel, because it will save you a lot of space. You'll keep all your dirty clothes here. So yes. So this is the bed, and it's a friggin' luxurious bed. Like, I can assure you that. I don't know कितने hostels में ऐसे bed होंगे, but it's a really nice bed. So this was the mattress that we were provided with, and this is my mattress which I had bought because जब इस हॉस्टल में शिफ्टिंग होनी थी तब हम लोगों को किसी दूसरे हॉस्टल में शिफ्ट कर दिया था, एंड उसमें मैट्रेस नहीं था, सो आई हैड टू बाय वन. बट वी वर अगेन शिफ्टेड टू दिस हॉस्टल, एंड यस, सो आई हैव दैट मैट्रेस. और जब हम लोग को अभी दोबारा शिफ्ट करना होगा, दैट मैट्रेस विल कम टू यूज. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज द बेड बॉक्स. लाइक, ओ माई गॉड, मेरे पास बहुत सामान है. लाइक, आई वोंट डिनाई दैट, एंड आई रियली नीड टू सॉर्ट आउट माई थिंग्स कि मैं फालतू का सामान रख दूँ कहीं पे या फिर घर भिजवा दूँ. So this bed box come to too much use. These are 2 bed box and these are humongous. Like these are very big and you can keep a lot of your stuff in here. I'm really embarrassed to show you all this. Like please don't judge me. There are a lot of stuff in here. Like literally a lot of stuff in here. Okay, so listen me out before judging me. These clothes are kept here like this because ये एक ट्रॉली में थे एंड वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड नीडेड अ ट्रॉली टू शिफ्ट. सो वो ट्रॉली मुझे उसको देनी पड़ी कुछ देर के लिए, तो फिर मेरे कपड़े अभी ऐसे पड़े, मैं उनको और कहीं रख नहीं सकती थी. एज सुन एज इज ही रिटर्न माई ट्रॉली आई कीप इट देयर. एंड दीज आर द बुक्स. लाइक आई डोंट रियली वांट टू शो यू मच बिकॉज बुक्स ही हैं इसमें और ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. देयर आर बुक्स, देयर आर फ्यू पॉली बैग्स. लाइक ये पॉली बैग्स का पॉली बैग्स है. You know, you can understand. This is the second one and it mostly keeps all the dry fruits, the milk powders and things like that जो घर से लिए जाते हैं ताकत बढ़ाने के लिए. This is my electric cooker. ये आप रख सकते हैं, like just try not to be catched by the warden. So yes, mostly people keep induction and things like that, so there's not an issue. Just hide it if there's some checking और ताला मारो अपने रूम में, भाग जाओ. Yes, that's pretty much here. उसके अंदर भी एक ट्रॉली था. यू कैन सी द ब्लैक स्पेस, वो भी मुझे देनी थी. तो यस, दैट्स द स्पेस देयर. एंड वी यूजली क्लोज दिस लाइक दिस. इधर है दैट वर्क्स, बट बिकॉज सिंस इट्स हिडन बाय सो मच थिंग्स वी थॉट कि ये ट्यूबलाइट बनवा लेनी चाहिए. बट वी रियलाइज कि इसका कनेक्शन का कोई पॉइंट ही नहीं है. वहाँ पे है पॉइंट, लाइक लिटरली. और जिससे मेरे बेड पे लिटरली छिपकली गिरी थी. छिपकली के अंडे गिरे थे. लाइक ओके, सॉरी फॉर दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन, बस यस दैट्स ट्रू. इसीलिए मैंने वहाँ पे इफ़ यू कैन सी वो लगवा के रखा है एक पेपर कि उससे कोई छिपकली ना झाके मेरे ऊपर. यस, एंड दैट्स थिंग वो नहीं लग पाई. My biggest achievement, that is the decor. The decor is too good here. Like I got these from my home. मेरी बहन के पास थे तो मैंने उससे ले लिए. These are the few wines. Like these were very cheap, around 100 rupees. And these were the few posters. To be honest, I haven't decorated this room much to my type, but yes, it is like it just gives the few of my vibes. Like it's okay, but yes, I like it. It just gives my room a good vibe. That's one extension because obviously मुझे ये भी चलाना है, मुझे अपना चार्जर भी लगाना है और मैं इतना दूर लगा के नहीं कर सकती बिकॉज इसका लीड बहुत छोटा है. एंड और भी मुझे कुछ भी लगाना है, so I can change here at just the comfort of my bed. These are few stickers that I actually got from Insta shop. Not actually, I didn't buy them. It's a clothes shop that is Aina, and they send these really cute stickers along with their dresses. This is my favorite. You are allowed to feel however you want. Like people don't understand this. You need to understand you are allowed to feel however you want. So this is my wardrobe. Okay. So these hangers I got by myself, and I hang those clothes जो मैं rarely बाहर पहनती हूँ. Like that's all there. This is a small stand. इसमें पंखा है, लाइट चली जाएगी तो बहुत काम आएगा. The comb and the oil bottle. Yes, that's it. This is the whole wardrobe. The situation down there is too bad. I wish I could cut this. This is the skincare laboratory. Yes, all the potions and mixing happen there. There's just a lot of stuff, but I use this. Like this is practically an empty bottle. This is also one of my journal and it's very secret, so I've kept it here. But you know that secret. And this is also all the stuff, like these are the body lotions that I practically use in winter. So yes, because these are too moisturizing. Oh, sorry. This is wigs because saste nashe bhai, saste nashe. And yes, this is pretty much here, like that's this. Okay, and that's my electric blender, if you can see, and it's a very good investment. I got it from an Insta shop. So yes, it helps me in making a lot of smoothies and shakes if I want. You're wondering from which I shoot my things. This is my stand. So yes, this is an Osaka stand and I link it if you want. I know you guys are very interested for the bathroom because why not? If this has an attached washroom, it's heaven. Yes, it is. This is a pretty clean washroom, like as you can see the situation here. Yes, that's the wash basin. And जो आपको दाग यहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं, these are so light. Like me and my roommate, मैंने इसमें एसिड डाल के साफ किया था. That's why it's looking so clean. Like trust me, इससे वो कितना गंदा होगा अगर आपको ये भी गंदा लग रहा है तो. So that's the whole washroom. Yes, that's the whole washroom. and it's a pretty good washroom. Yes. Coming to the balcony, and this is also really nice. ये बहुत ज़्यादा साफ़ होती नहीं है, and I also don't use it much. Like you can see, these are few, you know, वो वाले कपड़े जो होते हैं जिनसे साफ़ सफाई करते हैं. बहुत ही ज़्यादा गंदी थी ये, but I just don't care because मैं बहुत balcony यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ. And the grills are there in all the floors, not just first floor, because कोई भी कूद सकता है यहाँ पे. I'm joking. So yes, this is the balcony. If you want to see it in full view, that's it. That's how the room looks inside. So that was the room tour, and I hope you liked it. There's a very good thing that I want to say, and if you are here, like if you're still here, please stay. This is a very important thing that I need to share. And it's not these good furniture and washroom and balcony, these luxurious things that make the room luxurious. Like, you can't stay happy here if you're not happy in this room. Like, for me, I just don't get good vibes in this hostel, because when I shifted here, there were a lot and lots of problems with me, and it just kind of brings bad luck. So I never got at peace with this room, and I just wait to get shifted again, because it's just, you know, so you just have that feeling that this just doesn't accept you, like, and you don't accept this. I try to make it as homely as possible, and I have made it कि मैं at least इसमें peace feel कर पाऊँ जितनी देर मैं room में रहूँ. But I don't feel very happy here, even though यहाँ पे इतनी facilities हैं. Just it is what it is, and I just really wanted to share it. So please, even if you have a bad room, try to organize it, try to renovate it just by the things like some posters, some mirrors and things like that, some lights, and you'll have a good room, trust me. So you can do it, you can make the room yours. It's just up to you and how you want to keep the room. Please keep the room clean, because when we shifted here, this room 111 was the dirtiest room of this hostel. Like, trust me, it was really dirty. मैंने और मेरी रूममेट ने ज़मीन पे सर्फ डाल के ज़मीन साफ़ की है, वॉशरूम में एसिड डाल के साफ़ किया है, and this was so bad. Like, all the workers here even tell me that this room was like the worst room of this whole hostel, and I can't say more on this because that's just too bad. This hostel was too bad. That was it for the room tour. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe and bye guys.